मैं बीमार लगती हूँ, 3 साल हो गए। Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. You're watching The Cute Chick. I am Apurva and today I'm going to show you my very basic makeup routine that works for me on my shoot days and some events or just when I want to hang out. So it's not that heavy, it's very basic. So I'll be sharing all the products here and I'll be sharing the way I use products and yeah. However, I just wanted it to make useful for you. So yeah, let's talk through it. As of now, I haven't used anything on my face. अभी सिर्फ face wash किया है. It's squeaky clean. So I'm just gonna use all my moisture, do base, and till the end, I'm going to show you right here on the camera. So for starters, I'd like to tie up my hair so that it won't come in the way. Usually start with my toner. This is from Plum. कुछ 3 साल हो गए हैं. I've been using the same brand. This is like fourth bottle of this. I do that. I take this much and I'll just dab it into my skin. For moisturizer, I'll be going with this one. So I'll take this much as a handful of moisturizer and I'll go through this one. Currently ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं सो के उठी हूँ, but नहीं, मैं आई थी स्कूल से. I just washed my face and वीडियो बनाने लग गई. Okay, I did take a nap like for 10 minutes, but I don't know why it looks like I have slept really deep. कि winters था, so I used to use this as well with that moisturizer mix करके. Now you see that glow. My base is ready, you guys. For the makeup, this is Mars BB cream, skin perfection color correcting. That is the amount of BB cream that works for me. Mainly it's the dark circles that is my concern. I'm just going to use my brush from Mars F02. I'll just do this. I have two options here and ये मेरे shade से थोड़ा सा dark है. This is the exact product I have been using since 2020. तो मैं IGTVs बनाती थी and ये product मैं तब से use कर रही हूँ and I think majority of creators at least have used this once in their life. I mean, Maybelline is a master. So I'm gonna go with this मोटा सा brush. I'll take some product, dab if required, ताकि ये product move ना करे. I'm just gonna lock it in. So I prefer doing this. This apparently makes me look a little matte. Now comes the eyes ka part. I mean, this is everything I would need regularly. Unless I'm doing those fancy shoots या फिर मैं कोई makeup artist हूँ. This is all anybody needs. So I'm gonna go with this very baby pink maroon kind of shade. अभी shimmers will work on days when I have night events या फिर dates or maybe wedding. मैं दो brush भी use नहीं करने वाली यहाँ पे. This is the only brush. Whatever brush you have works. Already noticed. मैं अंदर से नहीं ले रही हूँ. मैं इसे सिर्फ आईज के कॉर्नर वाले एरिया पे प्लेस करती हूँ. आई गिव इट अ शेप हियर. बिल्कुल टैप ऑफ डार्कर शेड. आई लाइक दैट. नीचे वाले आईलिड पे भी लगाएंगे. आई डू दैट बिकॉज इससे मुझे लगता है कि मेरी आई थोड़ी पूरी लगती है अगर मैं सिर्फ ऊपर लगाऊं एंड आई डोंट डू काजल और आईलाइनर. मैं बीमार लगती हूँ. नाउ द क्लासी प्रोडक्ट इज राइट हियर. ये है मेरा लिप एंड चीक टिंट फ्रॉम अर्थ रिदम. दिस इज द मैजिक पोशन. ये है मेरा blush brush. I am going to just blend it in. Do you see the shine coming in, guys? Guys, अब मैं एक बहुत ही बेसिक सी चीज बताने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे. जो मैंने मेकअप पैलेट अपनी आईज के लिए यूज किया है, दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग वेरी ऑप्शनल. इट इज गुड टू हैव. आई हैव डन दिस हियर क्योंकि जब मैं कभी इवेंट्स पे जाती हूँ आई डू दैट. बट ऑन डेज जब मुझे किसी डिनर पे जाना है, कैजुअली बाहर जाना है, दिस प्रोडक्ट is good for eyes, for your blush, for your lips. Trust me, अगर तुम्हारे पास ये है ना, तुम्हारे पास ये है ना, सब सेट है बॉस. कुछ नहीं चाहिए. तुमको थोड़ा सा बीबी क्रीम लगाना है, तुम्हें ये लगाना है, यू आर गुड टू गो. आई मीन अब इसके बिना बहुत लोगों की जिंदगी पूरी होगी बट मेरी नहीं गाइस. Oh bro, half of the game changer is right here. तुम मस्कारा नहीं भी लगाओगे, तुमने ये कर लिया ना ब्रो, तुम्हारी आई लैशेस निकल के आएगी. Anybody having thin lashes, less lashes, shorter lashes? Mascara is the way. Oh so sassy, guys. This is very optional to me. ये मैं सिर्फ तभी लगाती हूँ जब मुझे शूट करने होते हैं. I like to exaggerate my eyes on days. And इसमें भी I am very okay sassy. Makeup complete हो गया है for me. The only last step I would like to do is add a lipstick. Lipstick is the only thing. A lot of you would think कि highlighter नहीं लगाया है. I don't do highlighters, guys. The last product for the evening is this Mars की lipstick. and it's in pink shade. Okay, you guys, this is the final makeup look that I do every day for shoots or whatever. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you do, follow for more, like, share, comment, and subscribe. So, bye bye.